Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace a Rad Rover 6 Plus battery or City 5 Plus battery that will not charge. So you're going to have it plugged in, and to test this, it's going to show you that it's charged on the charger, but then back here on the battery it's showing it's not fully charged. So what happens is the charge fuse on the inside, which is located just right in here, is going to be blown. So what we're going to do is show you how to take it apart and replace that. Some tools you're going to need is going to be either a putty knife or a flathead screwdriver, a 10 amp fuse, some nose pliers, a knife, a T10 Torx bit screwdriver, and a piece of tape. So the first step, what we're going to need to do is remove this plastic bezel on the front here. This is probably going to be, in my opinion, the hardest part. What I do is take a putty knife of some sort and I'm going to shove it in between right here, and this is going to pop it off. It's got two plastic tabs right in there and it'll come out. So with the 4 screws removed, the fuse is going to be right on the inside in there. So the trick is you're going to have to slice the blue housing, cover it here just a little bit, and it's going to be in the top left hand corner, and you're just going to cut in just ever so slightly a bit, enough so you can see this fuse that's going to be in there, and you're going to use your pliers to remove that. So here's a closer look of where that fuse is located and how you're going to slightly cut around it. Just be a little careful when you're cutting in with a knife not to short anything, and then you're going to use your needle nose pliers to grab it and pull it out and slide a new fuse in. And then from there you're going to tape it back up and we're going to close it up. So now that's what it looks like all taped back up, and I'm going to put the cover back on. So now we have it all put back together. You can see that it has 2 red lights. That shows that it is charging. It's not fully charged, so that is correct, that it's got 2 red lights and it's still charging. One thing to keep in mind when always plugging your charger in, make sure to plug it into your battery first and then plug the charger into the wall. That way it doesn't short the fuse.